This is a Studlands tutorial, the first one I'm making, on how to change your race. Basically, I'm going to show you where to go. If you already know where to go, skip to the time frame shown in the video. So, it would be fair to assume that most people have the QB Forest warp. For the case that you don't know where it is, I'm gonna quickly show where it is, and then go to the change race spot from there. Basically, you go here in the QB Forest, you could go through Redwood, could go really anywhere, just as long as you end up here. You come here, you jump onto this ladder, climb up, and come over here. You pick up this warp, and now it's on cooldown for me, but you can teleport over here now. Then what you do is you jump here on the roof from the logs, and you run over here. Now, you need a strange bone to change race. Let me do that. And now, if you have any races, you can select a race you want to change to, and change to it. Now, if you don't know how to get a strange bone, then I'll show you how to get one. From spawn, we run over here to the QB cave. Now, we drop down to the second segment of the cave. It's not over here, but we need to go all the way down here into the, I don't know if this is still the second or the third. We pass by the two layers and drop down into this hole. Now, there will be these guys, bonizos, however you say that, and you will try to kill them. Each of them have a 1% chance to drop a strange bone. They can then sacrifice, as we can see down here. 1% chance. Then you go over to that fountain, you sacrifice it, and you can change races.